Guys, and welcome to today's lesson. It talks about adjectives. Now, first thing I know about adjectives is that they come before nouns. As I said, before nouns. So in picture number 2, I would say big. This is the adjective, and then I would say the noun, which is an elephant. You see, big elephant. Let's dive into these pictures and choose a picture, for example, number 17. Number 17 has opposite adjectives. That means they are opposite in meaning. They have different meanings. This coffee is hot, while this ice cream is cold, as well as picture number 19. For another example, this cat is very cute, while this cat is quite ugly. So beautiful and ugly. Looking at number 9, you can see that the red car is fast and then the blue one is slow. Now, checking the pictures is only enough when you don't have the words. Now, you do have the words in this part, and that is what we're gonna do in this one. We're gonna play some listening in order for us to determine if our answers are correct or not correct. Now, we have these two words which are beautiful and ugly. As I said, they are opposites, and then they talk about picture number 19. After having answered all these questions, putting numbers in these spaces, like this example, we play the listening to check our answers, whether they're correct or not correct. So, starting by listening to the first one, let's check the numbers. So our answer is 19. Now let's check if it's actually 19 or we're mistaken. Here we are. We're listening to the
Point
first
7.
one.
Adjectives. 19.
You see, we heard the number 19. That means our answer is correct. Now let's type in 19, and then after that we press check answers. You see this green thing over here? This means our answer is correct. As for big and small, we would say it's picture number, let's go by 2. Number 2 is either big or small, elephant and mouse. So we check number 2 and then check answers. That is correct. So on for many of these pictures. So picture number 13, as I see they're opposite directions, and looking at them, it's this one. Now we chose picture number 13, and if we put a different number, we press check answers and we get this cross in here. This red cross, that means it's wrong. We could try again and check it's number 13. That is correct. Also, we can do this, press show answers on this side of the page, and then check the number as we see this eye icon, and then check all the answers, whether it's separately one by one or whether it's the whole question, that we can check all the answers. Now that is it for the book. As we go to the next part, which is a little game that we're gonna play, it's on a website that we can choose a card in a number to say the opposite of the words. So starting by number 4, what is the opposite of this word? Empty. Now, I'm pretty sure we can find this right here where we started. As we talked about the word empty, you're gonna see it in this picture with this full and empty, kind of number 6. That is full, that is empty. So, learning from the book is good when we enrichen it by other exercises. So the opposite is full. We go back here and we find the word full and empty. You can see them right here. Now, everything works together only if you use the correct material. This is it for today's lesson. We can see that there are different cards, sunny and you can see cloudy. That is opposites just as well. We're gonna go for number 9, and that is dry. The opposite of dry is wet. That is correct. Thank you very much for listening and for attending today's class. This will be regular from now on, and you're most welcome. This was Mr. Imad. I'm so happy to have had you in my video.